Let's shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
I think this event was really inspiring, eye-opening, energizing. If you were stuck somehow, I think it got you going. It was great getting together with all these inspirational speakers and all the TED Talks, presentations. It all gave an idea of the variety actually of how a scientist can be.
What is our job is to do the best science that we can do, to be as excellent as we possibly can be.
One of the lessons as you grow in your career is that you need to delegate.
What we interpret as failure in the beginning could be just the way to learn how to be successful.
Show them what you're passionate about, and don't be afraid to show them that you're awesome.
Play piano, play piano, play piano.